ये कंडीशन है इंजन के अंदर. Satnam is on a test ride right now. When the bike came to me, it was too noisy and it had nothing to do. Condition. Now, yeah. So the previous mechanic had never changed the oil, and I think that mechanic had actually top up the burnt oil from his whatever storage can he had. सतनाम, ये कंडीशन है इंजन के अंदर. आई डोंट नो व्हाई somebody might have just poured the dead oil and fooled around with you. इसमें मट्टी है. I'm going to still keep this for you to view. अब अगर ये काम सही नहीं हुआ तो you are supposed to be investing on opening the engine. बहुत से चिप्स हैं इसमें मेटल के, ये देख लो. आई डाउट इसमें केज फुट गया होगा, ये क्या है नहीं मालूम. लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई एंड सी. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. सो द बाइक हैड अ ओल्ड silencer which was the Triumph replica on the bike, and it was rattling along, not even loud, it was bad, it was just the sound was crackling, bad sound. Now the other day when I went to get the suspension work done, the bolt was only hanging inside. They couldn't there was no nut. They banged and they spoiled the original bolt of the rear suspension, and then what they did is they created a riveting scene out of it, and they left like that, due to which the suspension was dangling, it was rattling, the riding pleasure was not there, everything was bad. So suspension work was done, front end had the teak. हाँ एक्चुअली वो तो बोला भी नहीं करते, कुछ नहीं बोला. अब हटा के बात करें तो ध्यान दो हो जाओ, फोटो हो जाओ. Honor sync from the distance. Now the riding pleasure is there. Now let Satnam speak what exactly he had felt earlier and now. Satnam, over to you. Speak what you have to speak.
Yeah, I mean the engine has got a little more quieter. It is a good feel. The pickup has gone up a little bit.
Increased.
It seems to be very steady and beautiful as of now. I need to ride a little more. The gear shifting is much better. Yes. I need to ride a little more to get the feel of it.
Yeah. So the problem was with the bolt here. This suspension bolt was a problem. We had to literally torch it out and bring it out. So this is one of the old silencer. Luckily I had my hands on it, so I just got this fixed. So because of this also the bike has become more silent. I mean, and this bike needs a very good water wash, and it will give more high performance on this. In terms performance wise, I mean, like, we are still yet to get the engine work done. This is on a saving side. What we did, it is just on a saving side. Rest, I really don't know what. I'm not getting a proper vibe from Satnam's statements right now. I don't know. With this condition, I think he wants to go to Jammu Kashmir on this and
Not really on Jammu Kashmir.
Yeah.
It's just that I need to get a good feel of it.
So tell me what difference you found in the bike. I mean, like, before you gave it to me, now.
The tappers are making a lot of noise. The engine has had a very bad noise in it, which is seems like it's much better. It's fixed. I hope it doesn't. I hope it survives for another 5-6 months.
If you ride it safely.
Yeah, definitely. I feel a little. The handle is a little stiff.
That's because of the tire. If you see the profile of the tire, as I told you, the tire is not even. It has eaten on the left side.
Yes.
And the lining is out, so that's one of the reason. So overall, if you have to give me your comment in your own terms, how would you suggest? I mean, like, what would you suggest? Whether the work was satisfying or not satisfying, that is your call on it.
I need to still ride the bike. I believe on you. I trust on you. It's just that I'm not much into this bike as such. It's a very less ridden bike. But yes, I feel the change when I got the bike here. So I need to ride a couple of hours more to get the ride. So yeah, I mean, so far, yeah, good. I'm happy with the. I feel a little more investment will become but yeah, like you said, look around.
Yep. So, I mean, like, just let me give you a heads up. So the next work is just to pull the engine down, and once the engine is down, the rocker needs to be worked upon. Tappet needs to be absolutely replaced second time. The pump needs to be. I am looking at adding another good oil pump, the bigger one, BS4, the original one, and I might switch the 350 clutch assembly with a 500cc clutch assembly, so that the pickup will go higher. It will increase. And coming back to the spark plug unit, I am looking at using iridium spark plugs, and if I get the high sparking ignition coil, then that would be a great achievement. I mean, like, it would add more power to the engine. So far so good. Whatever I tried to do, I am little bit satisfied, more than little bit satisfied. But yes, had it been the engine would have been pulled down, there would have been lot many other things, because now the tires are cracked, the alignment is out of this front wheel. So just to be bringing everything back to the nutshell is that this bike needs a complete rebuild as on today. But according to Satnam, he is quite okay till January, mid of January, or maybe the first week of February. Then we will see what best can be done. Until then, stay tuned, watch this video, and like, subscribe. This is the first time I think I'm saying about talking about subscribing and liking the video. Thank you.